Wait, what the hell was that? Yep, exit dive. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exit dive on the floor. You got to get off that exit. You got to get over to the. I can't rap.
Once, long ago, he thought of himself as an inventor of government. But the invention had fallen
That was dumb exit dive. I mean, you were in the correct lane to begin with.
Plastic memory.
Click, click. There is more to the message. It is a trade that relax to offer your precious Paul Atreides. Our masters will restore his beloved, a sister to yourself, another Gola. Fate felt suddenly that he existed in a universe occupied. Regain what he lost.
Wait, what was that guy doing behind me?
Leap to strike. He just
Come on, go already.
Then he will be tempted.
That was no stop. Then dive for the left turn.
The Gola came to a stop 2 paces from him. Which would my lord prefer? The voice carried a soft ring of caution.
Seriously, Scar's coming. Second time that day that happened, and now it happened to me.
What could a Zen Sunni philosopher say or do to change one jot of the reality unrolling?
Yes, I had to go into the right lane because I had to turn right into here. In case you people are going to be commenting and getting all your panties in a bunch. Sorry. That's a green arrow. Shut up. It tastes good. Wait, what the hell was... And that was in front of a cop, too.
This might the inheritance from the
Really?
brother's parents' father might skip over them to go to the son.
Let's use the names of this story.
I feel like I just hit the rock bottom. I got problems. Know everybody on my block's got them. I'm tweeting like Cicero.
Signaling left, but merging right. Big signals. Good job.
Yep. My all-time favorite. For what he did with the Russians.
I think it was Bobby
Nice
Clark.
cut off.
No, he did. Well, it was.
Wait, what the hell was that? Yeah, you can go. I don't know if he was just sitting there or he was a... I don't know. Well, the camera will find out.
Postal inspector to carry out a lifelong war against pornography, contraception, and anything else that he deemed indecent.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. No stop.
Every single day. And playing brilliantly, and they're still losing. I saw one positive. One positive.
Wait, what the fuck are you doing?
It was that.
The fuck are you doing?
Right now.
You're an idiot.
What happens? But
just, well, where do you stand on that, Johnny? Do you think this helps them ultimately in November? Or,
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
So just hit Donald Trump's here. Donald Trump won this race. Stop it. In 2 weeks, it'll be something else.
Exactly. You know, the masses, they don't knee-jerk reactions. You know, they put jerk in the word knee-jerk for a reason.
I think that
exit dive.
Immediately having the first race.
Nice cut off.
To put a team together that if those guys are playing the way they are right now, they are going to realize that there's a seat on the bench for them if they continue to play like that.
Hey, why was
Not that they're going to get
both
written into the lineup
lanes
card
go
every single
straight?
day of the season, and it's
What was the point of that?
Process again and again. I give a lot of talks at the moment at Rotary clubs just to fundraise for this charity I started.
Nice cut off.
Organizing the Figure First Cup conference or crowdfunding. Someone or a group is trying to control or influence you in these areas. You need to be aware of it. Rick Allen Ross has a health education website, and he spoke at the conference.
Back up a shame.
Dr. Marlene Winnell, of course, she wrote her book Leaving the Fold, and she is one of the pioneers of religious trauma recovery work. And so in my world that I
really?
there's a lot of crossover with these people. And also we know that
Stated goal of, quote, improving the spiritual condition of young men engaged in the drapery, embroidery, and other trades, end quote.
Specifically.
Nice
Yeah,
cut off.
say these days they focus way more on the other trades.
The summary should be fine. That is like a ridiculously simplistic argument. Let's say that it's true. I think that
Nope.
is true, right? That infrastructure.
Are they doing it because of this? Is it because of that?
Nope.
All right. And also,
Stay in lane. And there's signs everywhere that say that.
They're bad places. They're run by a bunch of liberals who don't know how to run anything. And, you know, boy, if we elect them to office, they're going to do to the country what they did to the city. I hear this all the time. I find
Yeah.
these arguments
No.
crap. And I just, they do nothing for me. Did something very, very different to urban areas.
What do you do?
than it did to the new places and the new suburbs that we built.
Antibiotic break, if they're going to have one. Who's connecting dots that don't connect? And
Right turn regret.
doing something about it. And I know that, like, people are going to say, like, hey,
Progressives do this no favors, and I scream at them on my own. I get angry at progressives who are willing to trade like truckloads of highway spending for like a shovel full of money to build a sidewalk and a transit system. The biggest
turn left like an ass. Everyone's turning left like assholes.
Things that need to be fixed is the fact that
No stop behind me. Or